Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to change picture black and white in PowerPoint 365. Let's get started. At first we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we want to change picture black and white in this presentation. Firstly insert a picture. Click the new slide option, then choose blank slide to insert a picture. Go to the insert menu. Then click picture option, then choose this device. Now I select this picture and insert it. Click the picture and go to the picture format menu, then click colors drop down menu and choose color black and white. Now I select the black and white, and we can see here we change the picture color black and white very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching the video.